In this video, I'm going to tell you Google Drive features and benefit. First of all, we want to know what is the Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud-based file storage service which developed by Google's. We can store any kind of data in Google Drive like a photo, video, software, Word, Excel, PowerPoint file and so on. And we can share it with others from anywhere through internet connections. First of all, log in your Google account and then click in this Google Apps options and then go to Google Drive. You can store your 15 GB data in Google Drive freely. If you want to make a folder, click on this new option and then click new folder. Type your folder name like I want to make this folder and click on create option. Yes, my folder is ready now, and then double click on this folder. You can store your important file in this folder. I want to store in Google Drive this my logo. Open your folder and then click new option. Click on file, go to your file locations. Here is my logo. I want to upload this logo, so click here and open it. It takes a little time. Close it and you can upload a next file. I want to upload one audio file now, so click on go to new and then click file upload. Here is my audio file. I upload this media file and click here and open it. Yeah, it's now processing. The process has been completed, so I want to close. Yeah, you can use this file from anywhere through the internet. If you want to share this file with your friends, go Google Apps again and click on Gmails and click on Compose. Type your receiver email address, .com, and then click comma to type the next email. Now I want to send only one person and subject matter. I want to type this. Let's take my include your Google Drive data. Go to here insert file using Google Drive option. It's my only one folder. Here is my file, so I want to open it. Double click here. You will see here two files. One is my audio file, one is my picture. So now I want to send this my pictures with others, so I want to click here and then click just insert option. Yeah, so insert in a seconds, and then again if you want to send other that file, again you can click here this option and then click again my important file and then select your file. Yeah, it's also insert here and click on just send option. Yes, allow anywhere with this link. You have to select this. If you select this, you cannot post your file, so click allow anyone with the link to view option and then click send button. Yes, the sending process is running now. Yeah, message has sent now. Yes, in this way we can upload data in Google Drives and share with others easily.